What's the word?
And Tanya. Tanya.
All are your children's.
And yeah, the youth center is a place where the youth can come together, make art, and just have a place where we can explore.
Namaste. Can you imagine a place where a doctor, an engineer, a cook, even a gardener get the same salary? Unbelievable, right? In our world, a person may get 25,000 per month or even less. Another person may get 4-5 lakhs or even more. That's very bad. Everybody has to run their family and the basic needs are same. But that is the reality. There is one place which break all these rules. Auroville. Auroville near Pondicherry. There all kind of work is treated equal. No religion, no caste, no race, no rich and poor, no hierarchy. It is not a fantasy or not a dream. Auroville is the place where all humans live as one. Auroville is a self-sustainable township. Around 3,300 people from 60 plus countries lives here in harmony. Around 5,000 plus people from the nearest village comes and works here. They generate their own electricity by solar and windmill. And they grow vegetables and fruits organically. I know you are curious enough to visit the place. So come with me. We will explore the reality behind that.
Auroville is located just around 10 kilometers from Pondicherry. While a small part of it lies within the Union Territory of Pondicherry, most of the township belongs to the Villupuram district of Tamil Nadu. As soon as you enter Auroville, it feels like stepping into a forest, surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of birds and insects. Visitors from all around the world can be seen exploring this peaceful township. Along the roads, boards display the rich history and vision behind Auroville. Inside the campus, you'll find several cafes and uniquely designed restaurants serving delicious food. Most cafes and restaurants use fresh, locally grown organic produce, reflecting Auroville's vision of sustainable living. From South Indian meals served on banana leaves, to wood-fired pizzas, vegan burgers, and handmade chocolate, there's something for every taste. You'll find international visitors and locals enjoying breakfast at open-air cafes surrounded by greenery. The menus blend flavors from around the world: Indian, Italian, Mediterranean, and French. The Information Center is the first stop for newcomers, a place where they can learn about Auroville's history. Ideals, and ongoing projects through beautifully displayed exhibits and boards. This is Auroville, also known as the City of Dawn, a unique experiment where people from across the globe live together, not as Indians, Americans, or Europeans, but simply as human beings. The vision of Auroville began with a remarkable woman, Mira Alfassa, lovingly known as the Mother, the spiritual collaborator of Sri Aurobindo. Harmony and inner awareness. The Mother wanted to create a place where this vision could become a living reality, a place where people could rise above the divisions of religion, race, and nationality, and work together for the progress of humanity as a whole. And so, on the 28th of February 1968, that dream took its first breath. People representing 124 nations and 23 Indian states gathered on a barren plateau near Puducherry. Each representative carried a handful of soil from their homeland. They placed it together in a marble urn, a simple but powerful symbol of human unity. That urn still rests today at the amphitheatre in the heart of Auroville, but Auroville's beginning was far from easy. When the first settlers arrived, the land was dry, eroded and lifeless. There were no trees, no shade and no water. Yet with faith and perseverance, the Aurovillians began to plant trees, harvest rainwater and rebuild the soil. Decades of dedication transformed the desert-like land into a lush green forest, home to birds, animals and thriving organic farms. At the Information Centre, you can watch videos that tell the story of Auroville, how it was founded, the idea behind its creation, and the purpose of the Matrimandir. At the centre of the Information Centre, you'll find a miniature model of the Matrimandir. It beautifully displays both the inner chamber and the outer structure, giving visitors a clear idea of its unique design and intricate construction. To visit the Matrimandir Viewpoint, you need to collect a free pass from the entrance. It's about 1.5 kilometers from the Information Centre, a peaceful walk through shaded paths. Though buses are also arranged for visitors who prefer not to walk. Just near the Matrimandir stands a massive banyan tree, believed to be the oldest tree in Auroville. It has silently witnessed the transformation of this land, from a dry, barren stretch to a lush green township that welcomes people from around the world. To visit the Matrimandir and meditate inside, you need to take prior permission. Without it, visitors can only view the Matrimandir from a distance. So if you're planning to visit Auroville, don't forget to get your permission in advance. Experiencing the peace inside the Matrimandir is truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. As we step inside the Matrimandir, the world outside slowly fades away. A peaceful silence embraces you. No sounds, no distractions, only stillness. The golden light filters softly through the circular openings, guiding you towards the inner chamber, a space of pure tranquility. At the center lies a crystal globe, resting on a beam of sunlight that gently falls upon it, symbolizing the descent of higher consciousness into our inner being. The white marble floors, the spiral ramp leading upward, and the soft glow of diffused light together create an atmosphere beyond religion, a space for the soul to awaken. Here, there are no rituals, no prayers, only silence, only concentration. It is said that inside this chamber, one can feel the pulse of peace, the living presence of the Mother's vision, unity, harmony, and the search for the divine within. The Matrimandir is not a temple. It is the soul of Auroville, a space where every seeker meets their inner self. Rising at the center of this international township, the golden sphere took over 37 years to complete. Built with reinforced concrete, it is covered with 1,415 gold-plated discs made from stainless steel and layered with real gold leaf, nearly 18 kilograms of gold in all. The Matrimandir was built entirely through voluntary donations, contributions from Aurovillians and well-wishers around the world. Its construction cost around 25 crore rupees by 2008, but if built today, it would be valued at over 250 to 300 crore rupees.
We had booked our stay at Auroville, located about 2 kilometers from Auroville Center. Room rates here in Auroville ranges from 2,000 to 7,000 per night. To reach this place, you pass through a thick forest, and there are no street lights along the way. I couldn't help but imagine what it would feel like walking through that path at night. Quite a scary thought, honestly. The property itself is set in a beautiful and peaceful location with around 10 to 20 rooms, I think. Within the same complex, there is a restaurant, a boutique, and even a small garment factory. Our room was very spacious and well designed. It had a small kitchen with a gas stove and basic utensils, a study table, a comfortable drawing room, and a bedroom with a double cot. The bathroom was spotless, which really added to the comfort. I hope that you enjoyed this first episode of Auroville. If you really like the program, please subscribe my channel so that I can make many more videos like this. In the second episode, we will explore Bharati Niwas, Swaram, and so many other places. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.